Hello friends, I am coming with question number 17. So what the question is saying, at a particular instant of a time, position vector r and velocity vector v vector and angular position theta of a particle traversing a path AB as are shown in the figure. Here, phi is the angle made by the velocity vector with positive x-axis. Which of the following statement is are correct? So let's see what the question is saying. If I for clarification, I draw this diagram again. So this is the y-axis and this is the y-axis. Is it clear? And what is happening in this question? It is saying that a particle is located somewhere at an angle theta with some velocity, say called v. Okay, and v makes an angle phi from somewhere. So for better understanding, this is your v here, and this is subtend an angle phi. Okay, very nice. And now first part is saying that modulus of angular velocity is calculating. Okay, I try to calculate. The path is some like this type of path is moving, and of course it is not a circular path here. So be remember, this is not a circular path, it is an arbitrary path. So there is a terminology also and some ambiguity. Now what is happening, if you see and you draw this line perpendicular from this vector, this angle is 90 degrees. So you see, if this angle is theta, so this angle is also theta. Okay, so this angle is 90 minus theta. It is 90 minus theta. So now what is this angle? If you calculate this alpha, so alpha is equal to, we can write 90 minus theta plus alpha plus phi is equal to 180 degree. 90 minus theta plus alpha plus phi is equal to 180 degree. So finally you can say that the alpha is equal to 90 plus theta minus phi. Okay, remember it is 90 plus theta minus phi. If you want to write, you can write this alpha is equal to 90 minus phi minus theta. Can I write like this? Okay, now what is happening, if you see this v, then v component along this direction is v cos alpha. Okay, so now this is a perpendicular line, so modulus of angular velocity omega is d theta by dt is nothing, it is the perpendicular velocity divided by r at any instant, at any point. So now what is happening, it is v cos alpha by r, and v cos alpha is nothing but it is 90 minus phi minus theta by r, and cos 90 minus theta minus phi, you can write sin theta minus phi. So omega is equal to v sin theta phi minus theta by r. So the correct answer is first. So first answer matching, the angular velocity is v sin theta minus phi by r. Now this question, this is saying that modulus of tangential component is. So look at here, tangential acceleration is at is equal to r times d2 theta by dt2, and the double rate of change in displacement is called angular acceleration. So angular acceleration is alpha, which is nothing but it is tangential acceleration is r alpha. So this path is not a circular path, but this given situation is holding for circular path. So because of this reason, this statement is completely wrong. Why it is completely wrong? Because this path is not a circular. It is some curvature path. Okay, now I want to go with the modulus of normal component of acceleration. Okay, so for best thing is you see please carefully and please observe also. What is the given question? It is showing that this velocity is v, okay, which is subtend an angle phi. So if the phi is changes at time t, now at time t plus dt some angle is changes. So let's assume this angle is changes also, and this is also v, and this angle is changes, it is phi plus d phi for very small time at time t plus dt. Okay, so if now I want to, for better clarification, see here, this is v, this is also v, this angle is d phi, and so you draw the perpendicular. This is nothing but it is change in velocity dv. So if you bisect this angle here, so you can say that this is d phi by 2. So the v, now you can see this distance is nothing but it is dv by 2 if you bisect. Okay, so we can write that dv by 2 is equal to v sine d phi by 2. Now v sine d phi by 2 is what? It is sine d phi by 2 is approximate equal to d phi by 2. Why? Because d phi is very small. Because d phi is very small. So if d phi is very small, we can use like this, dv by 2. So finally this cancel. So dv is equal to v d phi. So normal acceleration is the dv by dt. So we can write v d phi by dt. So the correct answer is D. So A and D is the correct answer. Thank you so much for watching this video.